This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with the closing grain and livestock comments for July 20th, 2020. Corn market today down 4 3/4. Bean market up 5 cents. Chicago wheat down 12 3/4. Minneapolis down 6 1/4. Kansas City down 13 3/4. So we're off to a Monday start again. We're corn wheat on the defensive here. We've kind of seen that pattern for at least the corn market the last 2 weeks. And now we've got to try to fight back as we've tried to do the last couple weeks. So we'll see where crop condition ratings come in here this afternoon. Going to be very important for that. We're just coming into a time frame now where we kind of transition out of the importance of corn. Obviously, corn into silking through much of the nation now. And we're going to get some additional details as to where we're at this afternoon. But we do have an important 40 days behind here. But every day that ticks out is one less day that it either has an impact or the forecast really threatens the crops. So obviously still important here through the last 2 weeks of July and through the first 2 weeks of August. But we'll be watching very diligently. Now the August forecast looking a little warmer and drier according to model runs today, and that's what got the bean market up and going here a bit. Wheat market just more of a defensive posture and really lacking the story as to why it rallied as big as it did for Chicago to begin with. So we'll try to sort it all out. Hope these markets can pull together for one last push here, but please do realize bean market back up against the highs here in the front month, and very important to be attentive to that. Basis level still reasonably strong. On the feeder cattle side of things, down 110 feeders, lives down a buck. Hog market down 240, so a weaker day, a little bit of give back, and that's kind of been the trend. We build up, we get to these first price counts for cattle set back. Hog market, on the other hand, just trying to really break out and struggle to really carry through for a third day here. So market settling in here, cash undertones, a bit under the futures board here, especially for the cattle market, and that's what's going to limit this rally availability. Demand, along with cash coming together, are the two components we need. Maybe this heat can bring cattle weights a little more current, and maybe the same token for hogs. But right now, it really kind of looks like a tough picture as we get up into these first price counts, and at least an area of marketing to consider. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.